Hello, it's Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Today we're going to talk about Keystone retaining wall. We're going to look at 15 different types of Keystone retaining walls. Now, a Keystone retaining wall is a wall that's put together by blocks that are either gravity stacked or connected with pins. They are not mortared together, although they're usually with the capstone you put an epoxy on it. But there's lots of different colors and textures. These are great for walls that are generally under 4 feet, 3 feet, that nice height. This is a Country Manor Keystone, which is a wonderful rustic. Comes in 3 different colors, really kind of nice. Again, good for short walls under 3 feet. Now, there are certain ones that are rated for over 3 feet, as you'll see later in this video. But there's also smaller ones that can cover smaller walls. But let's go over the basics of how a Keystone wall is put together. So this is a Country Manor wall that's actually rated for above 3 feet. And basically, you put a gravel set of foundation in and stack them and make sure they're really level. And of course, you pin them together. With this particular type of Keystone, they do get pinned together, which adds a tremendous amount of stability. And then you get the capstone on. So it is definitely a do-it-yourselfer kind of thing. They are heavy, especially these heavier Keystone walls, but the end result is a really good, stable wall that's easy to put together. You can do different kinds. This one's a Stonegate Contemporary wall. We did a front yard where we had a slope going in 2 different directions, so we had to slope the Contemporary wall Keystone in both directions. As you're going to see, the way this resulted is we have a nice kind of step down effect with this Keystone wall. So again, this is Stonegate Contemporary. There are links in the comment section that kind of have connections to all these different materials as well to get more information. And you can see here we did a nice modern walkway to go with it as well. So different kinds of Keystones. This one we used to kind of carve out a nice wide walkway to the front door. This is one of those Country Manors that is rated for above 3 feet. And again, a nice rustic look, filled in with some beautiful Mediterranean plants a couple years later. But again, you can make sure to check the specs for how high that particular Keystone can go before you build it. Not all Keystones are rated to go really high. This is a really big one. This is a Bellegarde Keystone that is rated for up to 6 feet. So we used it to terrace this hill. This one's a little bit smaller. This is a Simplest Keystone, rated for smaller jobs, definitely under 3 feet, nice for little retaining walls. And here we are back to a gray Country Manor Keystone. Well, that's about all the time we have. Make sure to hit that subscribe and like button to get more of my videos to help you with your landscape project. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.